What's up, guys? Josh again from JR's Diecast Customs. Today's video, got a couple of cool things to show you guys. Got a couple more Mini GTs because I don't know what to do with myself besides keep buying Mini GTs. This one was actually a gift from my girlfriend, though. And we got that. That is the Lamley and Dream Customs collaboration. That's that Interstate 15 highway parking pad, mouse pad, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be sweet. So we're going to open that up first. I'm going to lay it out here on the desk, which I think the desk is honestly a little too small for it, to be honest with you. But I'll sort that out. And then we're going to take a look at these Mini GTs on top of that, on top of the turntable. So it's going to be pretty cool. So let's dive right in. I'll show you guys these really quick. I got them already ripped open, so I'm going to show you in the package quick. This one, Blitz Honda Civic Type R. Really, really neat. It's actually the first Blitz livery car that I have in my collection. Blitz stuff is really cool. The Blitz R34 Skyline. There's a bunch of Blitz Skylines from back in the day. If you guys play Gran Turismo, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. You have the Mines Skylines. You got the Blitz Skylines. You got a bunch of cool things. But yeah, so I thought that was super neat. Picked it up from Amazon. It was pretty cheap. Good deal. This guy here, long name. Ready for it? LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR in white. This one's neat. I have the black JPS special, like the John Player special version of this. It just has a different spoiler. I'm going to show you guys both of those next to each other on the turntable here in a second. And now is the main point of this video. I don't know if you guys were lucky enough to snag one of these. These were a limited run of 250. It's a, I believe, want to say it's 36 inches by 16 inches. I should have looked it up before I started this video, but it's pretty big. It is basically a mouse pad type material. It comes in this really nice bag too from Dream Customs. That is their stuff. If you want to go check their stuff out, they have a lot of cool parking pads. They're based overseas, so sometimes their shipping might take a little while, but their quality of their stuff is really cool. You guys ready to see what number I got? Because I think this is pretty cool. 221. Not a very low number, that is for sure. But like I said, these were very limited run. You know, they were 250 pieces. Wow, this is really nice quality too. It's got the nice rubber base on it. Check this out, guys. Oh, this thing is sweet. Oh yeah, definitely a little bit longer than the desk. Which is unfortunate, because I planned on putting it on there all the time, but... Oh, check that out, guys. Back off here a little bit here. Sorry if you hear my chair squeaking. I'm trying to back up a little bit. But yeah, check this out. I'm going to show you guys around this a little bit. You got the Interstate 15. So obviously it's blurred, but that's meant for photography purposes. So when I put cars on here, which you guys will see in a second, it'll look like they're moving. Which is kind of cool. We'll start off with this one. This is the LB Silhouette Works GT35RR in white, Liberty Walk deco on there. Really neat. I got this actually. You know what? You guys got to get you a girl like mine. This is part of my Valentine's Day gift. Get yourself a girl who gets you diecast cars for Valentine's Day. It's awesome. Oh, but this is super, super neat. Obviously, full deco on these guys, like I've been talking about. Inserted details for the taillights and the headlights. And the details on these things are absolutely stunning. Here, let me pop the turntable on quick so you guys can take a look at it there. But yeah, absolutely beautiful, beautiful casting. Oop, zoom in a little touch too far there. But yeah, there she is. Real good looking casting. I'm a big fan of this casting. The Liberty Walk style castings that they've been coming out with for Mini GT. There's an absolute boatload of them, and I want to get a ton of them. The one that I'm eyeballing a few of them. There's the breast cancer awareness pink one, which I think is really, really neat. There is a Brie one, BRE, you know, with the white with the stripes on the side. Super, super cool looking. And there's a couple other ones too that I remember looking for. I don't remember what they were offhand, but they were stunners. I mean, obviously similar to this one. This one's an absolutely gorgeous casting. Like I said, the details on these are stunning, absolutely stunning. And as you can see, I mean, they didn't miss a beat on that one. They really didn't. I like the blue exhaust tips; are pretty sweet. Deep dish wheels in the back, deeper in the back than in the front, which is kind of neat. And I don't know if I've mentioned this in my prior videos because my dad was talking about it. Those are rubber mirrors, which is super, super cool. I think that's a great feature because that obviously that'd be a very brittle part otherwise. If they weren't rubber, they could pop right off. This obviously is not going to be rubber. That's more of it's a hard plastic, sometimes even a metal on the spoilers and stuff like that. Looking good. Big, big fan of that Liberty work. Liberty Walk, God. Yeah, beautiful. Next up, we got the Blitz. Oh my goodness. Just fell right out of the package into my lap. The Blitz Honda Civic Type R. Oh, this mat is cool. That is my first Mini GT Type R that I have. They've come out with a bunch of them. I have an HCast one in my cart on my Amazon. It's super cool. It was the black one. It has just a HCast banner across the bottom with a few more logos up and along like the shopping list style along below the mirror there. But yeah, it was really neat looking. This though is stunning. I had to pick this one up. I didn't even know this was a decal that they put on this car. To be honest with you, I was just perusing Amazon, Prime. And, digging and digging and digging, and eventually came across this. I was just researching, different diecast brands. You do Mini GT, you could do Ignition, and you just research random things, come across more and more models, which is convenient. But yeah, I came across this one, and it was a no-doubter. Had to pick it up. Absolutely had to pick it up. Full decals. Look at those headlights. Holy smokes. That's crazy. Those look really, really good. And I just love how detailed everything is on here. Like you have like the metallic and the stripes and stuff, which is cool, pretty cool in the decal there. And throughout the livery. Really nice detailed exhaust. You can even read that little sticker on the back says bolt-on tuning systems? Bolt-on turbo system. Yeah, that's crazy. Carbon fiber spoiler. Amazing details from this brand, guys. I'm telling you, if you haven't hopped on this train yet, you got to do it. You got to do it. Let me zoom us back out here. Get rid of my garbage. Get rid of this stuff here. And I'll show you guys this really, really cool Lamley Mat. It's mouse pad material, guys, so it's like nice and soft. You can obviously see it indent in there. I was gonna drop a car on it, but I can't. I can't drop one of those. I'll drop one of these. Hot Wheels ID. But yeah, you can see it like. That's nice. Oh, this is gonna turn out really neat for photos. Yeah, you guys definitely have to check out the Dream Customs stuff that they have. They have a lot of cool parking lots as well. They also have this coaster set, which is really neat. It's like a 4-pack of coasters, but each coaster has 2 parking spots on it. So it's like perfectly sized for diecast cars like this. Dude, it's super neat. But let me show you guys this. Check it out. So it looks like they're driving down the highway. Obviously it's blurred and everything like that. So it looks like they're moving. That's neat. Very, very high quality, which is nice. Very nicely stitched edges, too. Like, I'm about this. Like, it's always kind of iffy when you order stuff from, like, random companies. But obviously, if a big name like, John Lambert's going to go partnering with somebody, it's going to be a quality product. And, lo and behold, it is. If you guys were lucky enough to get one, make sure you guys let me know in the comments below. Let me know which number you got. Because mine's obviously quite high. Quite high. I told you guys I was going to compare these two as well, so I'll pop this out too while you guys just check that out quick. But yeah, I think that's really neat. It's very big too. I want to say it's 36 inches. So, it's like 3 feet long, obviously. Oh no, I did. Check that out. Did you guys hear it pop? Oh. Oh, that hurts. Oh, no. Does it go back in? Ah, son of a bitch. Yeah, you know, it is what it is. Oh, actually, you know what? All right, well, it's back in there, which is good, but that sucked for a second. I mean, it sucks anyways, because I mean, it's definitely kind of broken now. But yeah, so here's the difference between those two. So I believe they have the exact same kit on them, minus the spoiler. So the spoiler is going to be the only difference on these two. Yeah, I don't know which one's my favorite. I don't know. I was kind of iffy about this one, to be honest with you, but that spoiler's been growing on me since I've been looking at that casting. Um, that one's a little aggressive. It's got those like really aggressive side plates on it. But yeah, both super, super neat. I'm about these mini GTs, guys, I tell you what. And I'm about this, you know, this parking pad. I keep calling it a parking pad, even though it's a highway. They market them as parking pads. That's what they're called on their website. If you go look at that, if you go look them up on Dream Customs, excuse me. But yeah, they're really neat. Like I said, high quality products. You know, it's a mouse pad. It's basically like a massive, massive mouse pad. It's kind of a bummer that it doesn't fit on my desk. I'm like, what am I gonna do? Oh, I don't know. Figure it out. Yeah, I don't like the hangover it's got, but I don't know. Maybe I just need a bigger desk. Maybe I just need a bigger house. Maybe me and my girlfriend just need more room for all of our cool stuff that we have. But hey, thanks for stopping in today's video, guys. That's going to be it. I'm going to wrap it up right now. But if you were lucky enough to grab one of these, like I said, let me know down in the comments below which number you guys got. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.